Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. We got a box that say heavy, so hope you guys can know what this is or guess what it is, but let's go ahead and get it out the box real quick, okay? Alright YouTube, we back. Boy, this boy is heavy. But check it out, check it out, check it out. This is gonna be a real quick video, y'all. We ain't gonna fool around this video. You know. Northstar Pro. Guys, let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Is this gonna work? Is this gonna help my car out? So now I'm gonna have two Group 31 batteries right now. You know, so I think the X Power is in danger of getting out of the car. And I think that would be the right move, is to get rid of it. Instead of using three batteries, I can just use two batteries, two Group 31s. You know, let's see, 220 reserve. I mean, this is a good battery, man. Minutes, so 220 minutes preserve. I don't know if that's the MH, or the AH, but it don't have the AH on here. Let's see. Nah, okay. And it recharges faster. All right. Give me feedback on this, guys. It's only a 2-minute video, 3-minute video. So if you like the video, smash the like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.